Hi everybody, I'm back for just a very short little video. I posted a photo of this Traveler's Notebook on the Foxy Fix Facebook group, and some people wanted to see how I had set it up and how I had used it. This is a Foxy Fix #1, which is also known as a passport size, and I used it as my everyday carry. It's not too thick. I used it as my wallet, and it was basically, besides the husband, my traveling companion for our road trip from Oklahoma to Myrtle Beach and back. So, this is the #1 in the spice leather, and it does have a sheen, and this is the Thyme, the color Thyme, T-H-Y-M-E. I always want to say sage, but that's the wrong color. This is the one in the Thyme. And one thing that I did is, I don't have any cash in there right now, but this is where I kept all of my cash, in this pocket here. Especially when we were, you know, getting out for like gas stations and stuff. It was really nice to have quick and easy. You know, I'd put, you know, some bills back there. So let's see what all we have in here. First thing I have in here is my little Kermit drinking, his sipping on his tea. And I did collect a few things. Like we went to Malibu of Surfside. I'm not sure if that was where we went and had a family dinner. It was a really nice place. I put a Traveler's Factory Pan Am writing board. I always put it in the front of the pocket. Otherwise, they tend to be a little bit flexible, or too flexible sometimes. So I've got one there. And I did have some receipts and some travel itinerary stuff in here that I've taken out. Now, this is the compact, and it has 4 elastics. And the first thing you'll see is I have a Taroko shop Kraftex folder. I did have some receipts in there. Actually, see, I still have some receipts in there. So I'm gonna take those out. But the first thing you'll see is I have my monthly calendar from September of last year through December of this year from Peke Dori Designs. It's just my monthly calendar. And these are Cocoa Daisy washi tape that came with the month kits. So here we are at the end of June. Actually, we're in July now. So there's that. And this is just an elastic pen loop, adhesive pen loop that I got from Amazon. The next thing I had in here is my Peke Dori Design month on 2 page, week on 1 page, 1 day on a page. You can see I got very festive with my month. But what I had been using this for was for meal planning and actually writing what I was eating that day, and then using this page for like shopping lists, and then having a day on a page, and then a thing for notes at the end. So here you can see what I ate. Some days I did good about keeping track, some days I didn't. And then little shopping lists, and then little space for each day. So it is now July, so that comes out. On the 3rd elastic, I have, this is a Midori folder, a Traveler's Factory folder, and I had more receipts in there. Let's clean through this while we go through it. I've got some Peke Dori Design business cards. Here I have some little page flags, some Cocoa Daisy Post-its, these are from Tyrian Design, some little stickers, and some more Post-its on this little card. So I keep those all together in the folder so that way I don't lose any of them. And then I had a grid insert here. This is from Monique at Morgan Le Fay's Trinkets. This came with a traveler's notebook that I ordered, and I finally thought I would use it. It's a pretty blue color. So we've got that in there. I have one of those Starbucks page flags. I tend to use it mainly just for cutting washi because it doesn't do a very good job. It's cute, but it doesn't do a very good job, so I just clip it there. And then on the last elastic, this is one of the Traveler's Factory. Let's see if it's kind of hard because there's a gold glare. It says Traveler's Factory for Roof, and it is like a zipper pouch. Like you can put cash in here. I've got business cards, some book darts, my musician union card. In here I've got like my driver's license, some change, and like AAA, and a bunch of that type of stuff. And you can even put cash in there. And there's also another little pocket here. So you can use one of those. Foxy Fix makes something, I think you can even get it in the spice leathers. So if you wanted to coordinate, they make some sort of a zipper card pouch. Or you can get one of the Traveler's Factory like PVC plastic ones. There's so many different things that you can get. This just happens to be the one I used because I thought the color went really nicely with the green. I do have like an olive colored one, but I wanted to color that color. And then you can see actually back here at the back I have another Traveler's Company 2015 writing board. So that's what I used. I did take, this was just my everyday carry wallet. It kept, you know, our schedule, it kept plans. You can see it held receipts, and I've cleared it out a couple of times of receipts. But it also had a very thick, you know, June monthly insert with all of our to-dos and reminders for bills and such. So there, just a quick little video to show you what I carried with me when we were gone. And if you have any questions, leave a comment down below or a question, and I will answer it as soon as I can. And I will try to link everything that I had in here. I know there was a lot of stuff, but I will try to. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.